This was probably a amulet for a shaman. It's kind of interesting the way that these are. They look very similar to birds, but when they come together, they also have its own appearance, which kind of almost gives you the semblance of man. They are different sizes. You can see ears were created for them. You can almost see the eyes that are there. This person probably was a good bird hunter, and why they probably liked these types of birds, and so they would give them to this. There are different sizes, so it shows the difference between the male and the female, or the generations of the young and the new and the old. And so you've got a variety of ones here. So most likely these were created over time and repetitively gifted to this individual who was either a shaman or a leader. And it was help with prayer for the successful harvest of these animals. Some of them look like they may be geese, but there's also loons and probably ducks, because there's different wisps and narrow bodies when you look at them. But they're also, because the way they lay together, that's why I think it was more of a shaman that likely had this item. And it gives that different appearance. It's almost a picture of the dance as we stand out there. And so when you look at that, you see these different things. It compares with it. They're cruder carvings, so there were definitely, you can tell what they're meant to be, but the person didn't have as much skill as some of the others that I've seen, and you can get into really neat details in the way that this is done. They were also smoothed out, so there wasn't efforts to create further designs, so it wasn't done in more recent times because they try to be more decorative, unless they were highly skilled individuals who made some really neat items. But because they were a bunch put into one, that's why I think it was a shaman. It was something that individual preferred and used as part of his process. They were probably an important animal for them, and actually a totem for them, so that it gave them spiritual strength, as well as they believed that it would help to bring these animals to that hunter, and that it would call those animals when you did prayer and ceremony to help them come for the harvest.